This is a toolbox tour of my roll cart at work. It's SGS Engineering Solutions. Got Phillips, bigger Phillips, Torx, lathe feet, some hexagon keys in the back. Got some long nose. It's got sockets up to 36mm, all snap-on. Some are 3/4. It's 3/8 drive, 8 to 19 deep. 3/8 drive, 19 down to 10. 1/4 drive, impact, deep and shallow. 1/4 drive, snap on, flex head, soft handle. 3/8 snap on, flexi, locking. And then I've got 1/2 inch, this 18-inch, 1/2 inch. And then I've got a load of extensions, just signet and snap on and things alike. Got some Allen key bits, called snap on, and some stubbies. Torx bits, they're just laser. Adapters, all snap on, wobblies. Right up to 36mm, 1/2 inch drive, deep impact. 1/2 inch F80, 1/2 inch drive ratchet. All impact sockets in the back, snap on, 10 right the way up to 24. And we've got some 3/8 impact deep in the back, the Trident. Got brake caging bolts, snap on, 2 24mm and a 26mm for caliper bolts on the big stuff. Got an impact driver, Bosch impact driver. Got all the flat blades and a little hose pick and long extensions. Cab tilt bar, 36-inch big boy pry bar. Moving on to the first drawer, all miscellaneous stuff, tape measure, cutting tools, blow off valve tools, burr bits for the die grinder, oil filter strap, dial caliper, torches, pens, tread depth gauge, punch, tools for the die grinder, scrapers, things like that, super glue, feeler gauges, all the good stuff. Moving on to the pliers drawer, so we've got side cutters, wire strippers, glue point, Nipex. These are bad boy, I'd recommend these to anybody. Slip joint pliers, snap on again, electrical crimp tools, these are pretty good as well. Just some vice grips, got some long nose, some curved, some baby ones. Got some circular pliers, snap on, some, can't remember what they're called. Yeah, you get the drift, similar thing to that. Long nose, 8-inch needle nose pliers, and just some what are they called? Pipe cutters. And then in this drawer, we've got a little 1/4 drive set, pretty handy. All the bits that you will need. Adapter kit underneath. Little book of personal info. Back probes, a multimeter with load probe on it, which is awesome. Set of snap-on picks. It's a pretty good set. Power probe, gas blowtorch, and a refractometer for the AdBlue systems on the trucks. Moving on to the wrenches, got a few missing, they're out on the job, so you've got 10 to 19 flank drive plus, got some stubbies in the back, just B&Q generic brand, Halford's ratchet and spanners, flexi, 8 to 19, which is pretty good, 8 to 19 spline drive, Blue Point. They're pretty good as well. And then I've got a couple of big spanners from 24 right the way up to 36 in the back. Some are snap-on. That one, a 32, 30 and a 27, that's all snap-on. Then I've got some low torque wrenches. These are really thin compared to normal spanner. Really thin. Moving on to the last drawer, we've got MG725, MG325, die grinder, blowgun, snap-on, 90-degree die grinder, air hammer with the bits, ball peen hammer, little tapping hammer, big club mallet. That thing will bust anything off. Got some what are they? 12 inch pipe wrench, which is pretty good. Got the 3/8 drive 95th anniversary air ratchet, loads of torque. Got a copper hammer. Got a chain wrench in the back, chain strap, a couple of punches, a couple of files. Lighting's not that great. These beasts, which are absolutely massive. Grip onto anything. Snap-on pry bar, 18 inch, I think that is. 18 inch flexi snap-on ratchet breaker bar thing, and then I've got a standard 18-inch breaker bar in the bottom as well, and then just a couple of big punches and scaffold tubes really, and that's pretty much what I've got in my roll cart. Got a few little sprays and that on the side, just some air tool oil, gloves, PPE on this side, glasses and ear defenders. That's pretty much it. Got a few little bits on the bottom, so torch, got a piston ring, clamp tool, some Volvo gasket maker, got a few little straps, earth straps, and a few miscellaneous bolts and bits and pieces in there. And that's pretty much it. So there it is.